Okay, we got 4 votes. And the person who's safe gets a prize of a hot dog. Okay, Chip, you got 2 votes. Wait, am I safe? Nope, because Jelly Bean got 2. So both of you are eliminated. And today, there is no challenge. You're going to be voting for one of these characters to join the battle. Vote for me or I'll plunge you! Vote for me. I'm a host in one of these guys' comics. Don't treat me as a child! Roar! And guys, the only reason I made you vote is because 2 people got eliminated. He could have just made us do a challenge and then made them vote.